Hello, my name is Samrudhi and I work here as a satellite systems engineer at Reflex Aerospace. There is no such thing as a typical day for us, and I think that's what I enjoy the most about this role. One day I could be digging deep into technical discussions, driving requirements with subsystem owners, building the interfaces, and on other days I could be talking to customers, stakeholders, discussing like budget, schedule, our timelines. You're able to connect dots from various different subsystems and also the stakeholders, customers, and bring together all of them to build a system and make a satellite working. Since I was a kid, I always wanted to be an astronaut. And I think I'm incredibly grateful to my parents for always encouraging me to pursue this dream. And today, being able to work at Reflex Aerospace and to be able to build satellites is something is very rewarding. Being a woman in the space industry is very simple. Because if the space and the engineering industry doesn't differentiate between genders, why should we? I think different genders bring different perspectives, so that makes the team much more stronger. So I think inclusivity makes you decide better solutions. So if there's one thing that I want to tell you all today, that is, do not let perceived gender barrier decide how far you can go. If you think you belong here, and if you want to build something really meaningful, just apply at Reflex Aerospace.